You can now start using Grok app for free again. I mean free. After so many months of not using it for free, now Grok app is back for free. This works for everyone. This is not a case of I tried it and it's not working for me. No, it works for everyone. I myself tried it and it is working perfectly. The fact is that no other app come close to Grok when it comes to generating AI videos. I mean, the ones that I've tested, Grok app is the best. Those of you into AI videos will testify to this. If you are into short AI videos, there are other apps that you can use. You can use YouTube, you can use Flow, you can use Queen AI. A lot of other apps that you can just manage. Those apps gives you free credit daily. It allows you to generate videos from 5 seconds up to 8 seconds, maybe like 5 videos, 3 videos, or maximum of 8 videos for free daily. But when you are into long videos, guy, you cannot manage credits, you can't manage it, you have to subscribe. So after so many months of them not allowing us to use Grok app for free, they finally opened it. This works for everyone. This is not a case of I tried it and it's not working for me, what should I do? No, no, no. It works for everyone. Not that you are going to use it absolutely free. You guys know that nothing comes easy, especially Grog app. Grog AI is the best. So don't think that it will come easy. But then you don't have to pay for 8,500 for it again. No, except you choose to. But then there is a little tax that you have to perform before you will be able to generate video. But this tax is very simple. Okay, come with me, let me hold your hands and walk you through the process. So what you do, guys, is to go to your Play Store or App Store and download GenV. Look at my own here. Okay, so you get the app. After getting the app, you open it and then you have to give it access. You have to click continue. This is just their welcome video, their policy, their whatever. You can just choose to go through it and then give it access. You allow it. Okay, click on allow, then make viral video. This is just more like their template. You click on continue and then click on allow. You can choose to share the app or just close it. Okay, so when you click on the top left side, you have their template where you can choose to create from, just like you have in your normal Grok and every other AI apps. Okay, you can choose to create from their template or you can choose to write your own prompt. Okay, so the next one is assets. That asset is your videos, that's your work, the video that you've created. I've only created but one video. You can see videos and you can see images. These videos and images are saved here for 7 days. After 7 days, they are going to delete it automatically. I will advise you, as soon as you are done creating your videos, make sure that you save it to your phone gallery so that you will not forget. Okay, so under settings, we also have language. We have a few languages here that you can choose from. If your language is here and you wish to change it to your language, you are free to do so. We also have the policy. I will advise you before you start creating to go through the policy so that you will know their do's and don'ts. Okay, so let's start creating. So when you come here, you can see video generation and image generation. Okay, I'm going to click on video generation. You can upload up to 3 images. You can see image 1, image 2 and image 3. So I'm going to click on image 1 so that I can upload an image. Also, your prompt should not be more than 1,000 words. Okay, so I will upload an image from my photos and then go to my notes to copy my prompt. I already have a written prompt for this video. You can choose to write your own, but it shouldn't be more than 1,000 words. If you want to generate 10 seconds video, you have to upgrade. If you want to generate in 720, you also have to upgrade, just like in normal Grog. Okay, you can only generate 6 seconds video and you can only save in 480. When you click on X AI Grog, you are going to see other options, other AI tools that you can use. You are going to see X AI Grog, Google View 3.1 fast, 3.1 light and 3.1, that is YouTube. You will choose the one that you will use. So let's choose XAI Grok, and also you will choose your aspect ratio depending on where you want to post the video. So I will quickly go to my notes and copy my prompt. You can get your prompt from ChatGPT depending on your story. I'll have to go back to the app and paste my prompt. After pasting the prompt, you click on create ad. That is the problem with this. You click on agree. The problem with this app is that you have to watch ads. Like you watch ads and get tired. Whatever you want to do, you have to watch ads. You want to create, you watch ad. You want to save, you watch ad. Like I told you before that there is a price to pay, and guys, this is the price. You have to watch ads, and this ads is not even like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Most of them takes up to 30 seconds. Some of them takes up to 1 minute. The higher you create, the higher the ads. The more you are creating, some of the ads can even get up to 5 minutes if you keep creating. So what you do is that you create for a little time and then wait. After some times, you go back again to create. If not, the ads will choke you. After that, it will tell you that your video is ready. So let's click on the video and see what we got.
My daughter, this food really smells good.
I know you will like it, Papa.
I don't like it, I love it.
You guys, to be sincere, the video came out perfectly, just like normal Grog. Okay, so you click on download so that you can download the video. Click on watch ad. You are going to watch ad for some seconds or for some minutes, depending on how long you've been creating. After that, your video will be downloaded to your gallery. But if you choose to subscribe, their subscription is okay. At least it is a little bit low compared to Grog. I think Grog is it $30? Yeah, I think so. And this one is just around $20. So you can choose to subscribe to this one, maybe weekly or monthly. All right, I hope this video helps someone out there. If you have any question or you have anything you want to learn from me, you can let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop your comments. I will see you on my next video. Bye.